Hello guys, my name is Freddy Munoz, and in this opportunity I want to share with you this final task corresponding to the final exam, in which I'm going to explain the abbreviations of shortenings. Okay, the first thing that I want to share with you is that there are three types of abbreviations or shortenings. The first one is clipping. And clipping is the result of deliberately dropping part of a word, usually either the end or the beginning, less often both, the end or the beginning, while retaining the same meaning and same word class. The second type of abbreviation is called acronyms. In an acronym, the initial letters of words in a phrase are pronounced as a new word, as we are going to see in next examples. The difference between acronyms and initialisms, which is the initial letters of words in a phrase that are pronounced as letters. Sometimes an initialism may involve only a single word. For example, in the word identification, the initialism is ID, two letters that correspond to one word. Or the word television, the initialism is TV, correspond to only one word. So the difference between acronyms and initialisms is that in acronyms a new word is formed from the first letters of the different words into a phrase, and that new word is pronounced as a word, as we are going to see. Okay, let's go to check these examples of clipping. When we drop the end of the word, like in mimeograph, mimeo is the new word, delicatessen, deli, mic for microphone, condo, condominium, hackney, porn for pornography, fax, facsimile, mit for mitten, in the beginning, burger instead of hamburger, car instead of motorcar, cello instead of violoncello. And sometimes in the beginning and the end, like for example in refrigerator, the clipped word is fridge, flu for influenza, shrink instead of head shrinker. Okay, now let's go to check some examples of acronyms. As I told you before previously, we take the first letter of the words in a phrase and we form a new word, but that word is pronounced, like WASP, which means White Anglo-Saxon Protestant. SALT for Strategic Arms Limitation Talks. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. AIDS for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome, which in Spanish is SIDA. Radar, laser, and sonar. Okay, this is the main difference between an acronym and an initialism. Let's go to check them. Yes, the initial letters of words in a phrase are pronounced as letters, as in RSVP, AM, PM, BC, AD, VD, BM, DVD for digital video disc. Initialisms are almost always written with periods between the letters, except in a few cases such as OK and MC. Thank you very much.